Hello, this is your girl pvssology, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on VU today, and this is part 2 of creators that I feel do not get enough recognition. Now, this is my opinion and my opinion alone. Whether you feel that way or not, it doesn't matter. This is just my opinion. So the first person we're going to start with is Kilo. I feel like Kilo is an amazing creator. She makes clothing for men and women's. And she also does some poses as well. And I love the fact that a lot of her stuff is in accessories that come with the outfits. So she does complete outfits from head to toe. And a lot of creators do that, but with hers, I feel is more unique. That's just my opinion on it. The price point is there. I feel like her pricing, her items is exactly where it needs to be at. I feel like if you are into something that is more feminine, this is the person that you would go for. I love the nails that she does as well. But she has a lot of fits that just go perfectly together. Everything is cohesive. She has a whole collection, which is amazing. And she's not one of those stuck-up creators. So if you did reach out to her, I'm sure she will reach back out to you if you needed something customized. I don't know if she does custom items, but I have talked to her before. She is not a bad creator. She is amazing. She's very respectful and friendly. And it's hard on VU to find a lot of friendly creators or creators that don't feel like they're, better than you. But yeah, she's one of those that doesn't feel like she's better than the next. And she's amazing. She's just a really overall amazing person. And I love her shop. It's very feminine. And then when you go to the men's section, you see exactly what she's trying to do. It's cohesive. And I just love everything about Kilo's shop. So definitely shop Kilo if you're interested in what she has to offer. Another creator that I love and I have mentioned before on my YouTube channel, Condiments. Condiments specializes in nails. She makes custom nails for people as well. Her custom nails are cheap. A lot of creators that do customs are expensive. She is affordable. So if you are to go with somebody, definitely go with her. She'll work with you. And the nails actually match the picture. I've tried them on plenty of times. My favorite one are the Halloween nails, and I have them on right now. I don't think you guys can see it, but I have them on right now. They match the picture perfectly. She doesn't believe in, scamming people. Like, again, on VU, a lot of people do false advertising. She's not one of those people. She's very friendly, so if you want to reach out to her to get custom nails, you can do that. She also does clothes. Now, she's fresh on the clothing market end, so just keep that in mind. But she is amazing. She's amazing, and she's learning. She's still learning. So if you want to reach out to her for custom nails, definitely do that. She is an amazing person, and I think Condiments is a good person to go to for nails. So another creator that I came across, although they do not have a lot of items in their shop at the moment, is Busey. Now, Busey specializes in femboy clothing. And I think that's all the clothing Busey does, which is fine. But if you're looking for something fresh and not a lot of people know about it, I would say go to Busey for that. I don't know if Busey does customized clothing. I don't know if Busey's shop is just catered to them. Some people, they have their own shops that are just catered to their avatar. They don't really focus on other people's avatar or if other people buy from them. So I don't know exactly if that's this type of creator, but that's okay. Even so, the clothing that I do see, I actually love. Another creator that I respect and love dearly is Macaroot. Macaroot has amazing avatars, and she specializes in poses, and she also does amazing clothes. So, although she is pro, she still isn't as known. So let's take a look at some of her poses. I actually have a couple of them, as you can see, but let's go to the poses. There. Wow, she even did something for mothers. pregnant mothers. So that's amazing. But look at this. She has amazing poses. Like, you can't say anything negative or wrong about this. This is just amazing. So as you guys can see, these are some of the poses. She has actually a lot of poses. Very feminine, it's classy in the same way. I feel like Macaroot is very respected, and the reason she's respected is because she doesn't feel that she's above anybody else. She does amazing work. She puts hard work into everything she does. If you want to hit her up, definitely hit her up. If you're into hood aesthetic, definitely go with Confronto. Confronto's shop is amazing. He or she, I don't know what they are, but whoever they are, their shop is amazing. I love the fact that whatever they do for the men's, they do that for the women as well. So if I go over here, this is amazing. I love the shop. Now, you have more men's clothes than women's clothes, but that's okay. I love the fact that Confronto, the shop is just simple yet hood at the same time. It's really nice. I love the icons. I love everything about the clothing. Another creator I came across is Wanna. I love Wanna's shop. I love the icons. I love the shirts. Let's try on some shirts. Okay, I like this shirt. And the fact that my stem could wear it, perfect. So I can tell that they're anime inspired. They like a lot of anime, which is cool. I like anime too. I'm not a huge anime fan, but I did like, I think it was Sailor Moon. And I don't know if Avatar is considered an anime, but I like the show anyway. But I actually like the fact that these shirts it's perfect to me. The shirts are perfect. I actually would buy this for my STEM avatar. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Now, what may seem plain to you guys isn't plain to me. This is really nice. Wanna is definitely somebody you should check out. They obviously do anime inspired fits, hair as well, as you can see. Check out some more. They also have accessories, which is really, really good. And I love the shirts. I love the shirts. Let me try this on. Now, yes, this is Halloween inspired, but I would still wear this. Yep, I would wear this. I love it. I love it. And it looks good on my stem. So definitely check out Wanna's shop if you're into anime and stuff like that. I will be doing a part 3 on creators I feel that don't get enough recognition, because there's so many. There's a list of so many creators that I could think of that I feel that have amazing, amazing clothes, just an amazing shop, and I feel like everyone deserves their flowers. Also, I want to thank my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel, and I appreciate that you guys actually give me feedback. I would really appreciate it if you guys just like the video. It will actually connect other people to my channel that need the help. Because, again, a lot of creators do these type of YouTube videos, but it's not as recent as mine is. And you guys can learn a lot from me. But I would hope that other people are learning from my videos. And I really do appreciate that you guys support me. So thank you guys. Thank you a lot. Also, I have other videos coming out. And I've been working on mesh heads. I do mesh heads now. So my next actual video will be about the mesh heads that I have done. So just keep on the lookout for that. And thank you guys and have a nice day.